What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Yasha and this is Makeup a Difference. We're back with another beauty makeup video. I recorded this beautiful soft glam look for you guys. This is my go-to soft glam look. It's super easy, super simple, and I can't wait to show you how I do it. Let's get to it. So we've already moisturized our face. I've already moisturized and now I'll be moving on to priming, and I'm using the e.l.f. primer, which is the Soothing Power primer. Lately I've been tapping on my primer so that it just sinks into the pores, because I want this makeup to last long, because I'm actually going to a festival of praise and I'm excited. So I want my makeup to last long, and it's an important step to using my favorite foundation that lasts long, that is it doesn't go anywhere. It stays put. It doesn't use this foundation every time I'm going somewhere. I'm gonna be there for a long time. Next we are going to contour, and you're gonna see me try out this new contour trend where you don't do the carve contour, but you know, it's called the Bella Hadid and Kendall Jenner contour way, where you suck in your cheeks and you follow all the way down. So this is like my third time trying it. When I tried it the first time, I actually loved the way it made my face look. So the trick to this is a good blend. You have to blend your contour, or else you're just gonna look like lines are on your face. So I just contour the same way after I've made those lines, because I'm still learning, so I want to make sure that I get them precisely. So I make sure I blend the edges so it's not looking harsh and it's not looking weird. This is not for everybody, but I absolutely love the way it makes my face look. Next, I thought I recorded this part. I don't know why I didn't. So I'm going to highlight my face, and I use two shades now. I actually love this way now. I'm actually recording a video on how to do this in a simpler way so you don't get that white cast. Oh yeah, if you notice that I actually contour first before I apply my concealer. So it's quite tricky to do this, because I have to make sure I bear in mind of where I put my contour, because it's different now. Let's blend in this concealer. So the key to this soft glam is blending, and making it seamless. Soft glam is not less makeup, it's full-on makeup, but that looks a little bit more natural. So the key is blending and making sure there is no harsh lines at all. I like to move my concealer on my eyelids, because you know, that way I pre-prime my eyes for the eyeshadow. I'll also go back again, but yeah, you need to take your time if you want to achieve the soft glam look. Take your time with blending. I was actually in a rush, so I did my makeup pretty quick. Next, we'll be using the Huda Beauty using my puff. You need to tap off the excess powder off when you put translucent powder on your beauty puff. Notice before I go in to put the powder, I make sure I get rid of any creases, because it needs to look seamless and flawless. So I've gotten rid of the creases, and now I'm gonna gently pat on the powder. You're not gonna harshly press it on, because that's just gonna move the product. So that's what I usually do, and just press that powder in, and then once it's in, I will pat. So this is it on, and I'm also just baking a little. I'm just going back on those hollows, not the hollows of the cheeks. I don't know what to call them, honestly, because it's not the hollows. I guess it is, but yeah. We're gonna put bronzer. I'm just following that line where I've contoured as well, just to give it a warmness so it's not too dark and give it a bit of life. Now we're moving on to the eyes. We are priming our eyes, also just getting rid of any discoloration. It's very important. You just don't start putting eyeshadow on if you have not got rid of, just prep them for your eyeshadow. You don't put eyeshadow on bare skin. Before we put eyeshadow, we are gonna blush up. So one of the keys to this soft glam I've been seeing lately, especially to Kevin, is it Kevin Con? The blusher, we literally put blusher. I literally went in with this blusher, so if it looks a bit crazy, don't worry, it will come together. It will come together. It looks crazy before it looks good, okay? Using my bronzer, I am just sweeping it on my lid, and I'm using a very fluffy blending brush. So I go in on here and I make sure I blend it really nicely. So you want a soft but still beautiful eyeshadow look. You must blend it in. So I make sure I blend it near the nose and on the corner, so you can see the color already popping out. Here we've gone in with a darker eyeshadow. It's a darker brown. I just go on the corners of the eye. I'm trying to softly smoke it, but it's a soft smoke. I don't know if that's even a word. It's a soft smoke. So I am literally blending it in. So now I'm gonna be using a pinkish nude eyeshadow just on the lid. And look how flawless this is gonna look. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. So just blend that eyeshadow in. It's pretty much just tapping it in and then blending it in the other eyeshadow. You don't have to, but with this look, I'm gonna be putting eyeliner. And I want to really wing the liner. So you don't have to, you can just put lashes going on from here. So this look can go either ways. You can smoke your top eye or the bottom eye. You can do all sorts. So I ended up like blending the liner just in on top. So to just give a little smoke effect, not too much. And I'm just gonna put my bronzer under my eye. And that's all really, and then I put mascara. Don't you like when everything just comes together? So now I'm gonna just spray my face and set everything. I'm using my oil control spray, and then I also go back in with a holding spray. I'm lining my lips with a dark brown shade, and then I go in with an NYX nudie, like a brownie nude. Then I go in with the lighter nude on top, just in the middle. And then we're going to put a gloss, and this gloss ties everything together. This is one of my favorite glossy nudes. I think this complements quite a lot of dark-skinned people if you try it. I go back and just darken all my mauves. Just give myself some mauves as well. And then we'll spray again and then fix our hair. So I was rushing here. I'm just gonna do my hair like a simple hairstyle. I was actually gonna curl it, but I was actually running late. But this is the look, guys. I'm just gonna curl those bits on the front and half up, half down. So this is the final look, my favorite soft glam go-to look. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Super easy, super simple. I will see you in the next video. Bye.